How to access Zoom free trial. I am going to show you how you can easily access Zoom free trial. To begin, open your web browser and search for Zoom free trial. Tap on plans and pricing for rooms. Scroll down to find the free option. Below you will see options for Zoom Rooms licenses, $4.99 per year per room, and Zoom Rooms Enterprise at $4.99 per year per room. Since you are interested in the free trial, tap on Sign Up. Verify your age by entering your birth year, then tap on Continue. Enter your email address and tap on Continue. Retrieve and enter the code sent to your email address, then tap on Verify. Provide your first name and last name and create a password. Once all details are entered, tap on Continue. Confirm your details by tapping on Continue again. Now input your organization information, including the name of your organization, street address, city, zip code, country, and state. Optionally, add your organization's homepage website address. Select your role within the organization. After completing all of the organization information, tap on Continue to access the Zoom free trial.